Hey guys, welcome back to our never-ending build that's on the way to getting wrapped up very soon.
Hopefully.
We've got really exciting news today. First of all, it's starting to look more like a motorcycle now. And second, and most importantly, on the other side of the camera right here, we have the paint color because we've got the paint back and it's beautiful.
It turned out awesome. So I did a little bit of work off camera. We went ahead and slapped in the oil tank and the oil lines. We put on our new Freedom Performance Softail exhaust. It's a true dual system, and it turned out pretty good. It's exactly like what we wanted. I wanted originally to go with the Samson pipes, but it was an 8-week wait on that. But yeah, I'm really excited about this paint color. It's exactly like what I was seeing in my head. So I think it's going to be nice.
Okay, so what's our plan today?
So today I said we go ahead and get on the back fender so we can at least look at it looking like a motorcycle. We'll go ahead and get the nacelle on the front, or nacelle, however the hell you say it, and headlight stuff. And we're still waiting on the tank to get back here, and we got to have a seat ordered. So we'll try to get that stuff done, get the throttle lines on, the brake cable, everything that we can get done so far. We'll try to get it done, and hopefully the tank comes in time. We can do a startup video and see if it runs.
And I think just for fun, I'm going to put a picture of what this bike started out looking like just to refresh your memory, because it's huge. It's big.
Big difference.
Big difference.
I'm going to have to refresh my memory on how all this stuff goes back together. It's been such a long time.
To sleep at night, say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so. Where do you go for divine delight? Is it someone I know?
And I'm just going to screw our bolts in just to hold it in place for right now. I know I still got to put the I still have to put the light bar on it, but it's bent a little bit. I'm thinking I can save it. I don't know yet. I'll have to come back to that. trying to figure out where that wire goes. I don't recall. Oh. It goes right there. We'll get those harnesses put in the retainer. Maybe not. That's in there. All right, we'll go and get the headlight popped in there.
Inside this cage I linger, waiting for my strength to grow. Unwrap me from your finger. I'll be rising from desolation, constant condemnation.
Don't worry, we're definitely gonna do away with this cheap Chinese LED bulb. We'll put like a factory looking Harley one in it. And I've already ordered a matching bezel for it too. So at this point, I'm sure y'all guys are wondering what color we painted it. So ta-da! We went like a baby blue or Tiffany blue and a Oxford white. It's like a super white, kind of old school look, but we think it's perfect for the style we're going with on this bike. It turned out awesome. I love it.
Why am I here? Time and again, I'm being alienated by you and your stupid friends. Don't wanna be a part of your social experiments. I'm just awkward, yeah. I'm the elephant in the room. If you were in my head, you would hear me whine. I'm walking on a thread with teary eyes. I'm the elephant. I'm the elephant. When my eyes close, I feel comfortable. In another world, I'm not so vulnerable. I know I'm not what you might call elegant, but I'd rather be that than the elephant in the room. If you were in my head, you would hear me whine. I'm walking on a thread with teary eyes. Elephant, I'm the elephant. I'm the elephant.
Now these bolts here are just temporary. I ordered the chrome, what do you call them? The chrome bolts that aren't for saddlebag mounts. So this is just temporary, just to get it assembled. But man, that looks awesome. Alright, so I debated on what kind of turn signals I wanted to do. I didn't want to go spend a bunch of money and get like, make it a tombstone light and all that other stuff. I found these in my stash of leftover parts, but I think that'll look pretty cool, so that's my plan with that. Put those on. Obviously I still have to get the bolts, like I said. We have a seat ordered, still not here yet. Still waiting on the tank to get here. Still got to put in my throttle lines for that and the brake, master cylinder and hose and everything. On this front wheel, we had, after we spaced it over to get it right, the caliper wouldn't fit. It was way too far over, so I had to go to a local bike shop and they cut off 5/16 of an inch. I guess they use like a drill press or something, but it fits perfect now. Didn't know exactly what, I've never had to cut a caliper or a fork tube or anything like that, so I didn't know what I was gonna do. But yeah, 20 bucks, that was the easy fix. So yeah, brakes, just the other little stuff, and fill it up with oil and gas, and hopefully we can start this thing up. I know this is a short video. We appreciate y'all watching, and we just wanted to give you an update on how things are coming along. I know it's drawn out a lot farther than we really wanted to, but almost there. This is the final stretch right here, just waiting on the tank and seat, small stuff. So next video, if it's gonna run, we're definitely riding it. Definitely in the next video.
And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. We are trying to get to 10,000. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.